Welcome to Michigan State University, the most beautiful campus on earth. We pride ourselves on being eco-friendly and promote various recycling programs. However, lately, we have begun to notice a big problem, and it all starts on the banks of the Red Cedar. What have you noticed about the Red Cedar River over the past couple of years?
Well, when I started here as a freshman, it was beautiful, but over the past couple of years, I've noticed a lot of trash and pollution, and one time I saw a couch floating down the river.
Would you ever drink the water?
Would I ever drink the water? Why don't you tell me?
As you can see, the once prestigious Red Cedar River has recently become polluted with trash, plastics, acid rain, and even human waste.
Hey, what are you doing over there? What? No, get out of here. Sorry. River? People drink the river water.
Recently, scientists have begun to test the water quality of the Red Cedar, and some of the results have been shocking.
While testing the latest water samples, we have noticed elevated amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus from pollutants that could be potentially harmful to any fish or small organisms living in the river. These could come from car washing detergent, pesticides, and any other chemicals that fall in the river. There is a low pH, which is a result from acid rain. We have also detected trace amounts of waste from animals and humans that have made their way into the river. Larger debris of trash plastics are also visible in the river water. Gotta love nature.
These pollutants cause problems for much of the wildlife that depend on the Red Cedar River. Also, as a part of the Red Cedar watershed, much of this water will end up in groundwater, which can end up in our drinking water.
You know what we need, Craig? Some water filtration experts to help us clean the river.
That would be great because then we can all go swimming.
Help us!
So I have given you the task of designing a filtration device for the water. At school, you will have a model of polluted water from the Red Cedar, as well as some materials that are available to us here on campus. Do your best to work with your team to design the best filter for us to remove all of these harmful contaminants.